You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS class. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Let your dreams of grand luxury and rugged capability come alive in this superb GLS 4MATIC SUV. Full-size spaciousness sets the stage for premium comfort, while brawny muscle, driver assist tech, and all-weather capability have your back on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, keyless start, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, backup camera, heated front seat. Go forth boldly and brilliantly in this GLS 4MATIC SUV. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.